Okay. In this video, we're going to write about some hacker news. What's going on today's world? All this thing is stuff. All the stuff we are going to study. Like all, what the main focus thing is going on. Main focus thing is going in the tech world. Actually, all this thing we can show in the hacker news. So let's go. An internet of PHP, development of the C language, Joule and Mozo Metal Watt Benchmark. Newly discovered advanced NLP with speci decoded GNU. The mind-bending math behind Spotted, the power of food for people of dementia. Snoop onto them as I snoop onto you. Embeddable common lips. Logo skill scammer can exploit mail forwarding. Mail scammers can exploit mail email forwarding flows to impersonate high-profile domains. Using LD preload cheat with warden has been disabled in Chrome. GIT GIT optimized Ruby on Kenya proxy extension. Sonachon convey game of life in TypeScript type system. Morphology. SWFTC judge. Generally intelligent. Challenge California. New transparency. Law as unconstitutional. Cisco system of finalization. Delivery as a gene therapy. Touch blind cyst. The frog. Crispy documentary a 10 year later. All this thing we are going to study. I have not seen any thinking path. Let's read about it. Who was the thinking path? What should be the Robin Soldier? A thinking path. We learn the same lesson over and over, forgetting, remembering. That's not failure. It's life. It's not. It's being human. One of my lesson relearned profound problem solving problem of wall. I used to be world guys. I get stuck in some writing question. Feel the subtlest hitching of the floor. Sprung I up chair spring loaded already halfway around the block. But then I lost my neck. Somehow my spring for a couple of years while I still walk plenty. I earned and place. I didn't walk to think. Didn't pack my brain with problem and go. I am happy and to report I discovered practice recently to great effect. It has an what does it want to say? I am not getting an idea what every read out whole story in order to understand this concept. White Kremik store poison to be uses of anonymous securing messaging mesh network. 10 death after eating a single chip highlight risk of ultra spicy food. Single chip highlight ultra risk of spicy food. Is it so? 10 death after eating a single chip highlight risk of ultra spicy food. Good book on universal basic income. Emoji generator with AI. How to learn I want to learn it. Whoa. David Rothel. This guide is aimed to a computer program who want to learn master Megas texture editor. It has been said that Megas learning curve is not so much step as long, while initial learning curve is indeed much stepper than all. This is hump you will get over fairly soon. You get soon from the basic. What it will real aim is to help out to next level. Programming is behavior of Megas itself in a month rather than 10 years. Self-driven discovery of delivering Megas built-in help facility in source code. What I need to work commitment. Willing to give you a favorite ID. Next why Marcus. Yeah, just focus on that why. I believe that the future of software development, if we are to survive our increasing complexity, lies on the domain specific language that can express solution measured in hundreds of line of codes, not ten of hundreds of lines common in the today's software system. On the right, two example from Alan K. Point Research Institute. The top one is an snippet of the code of Nile language for and compositing below it what look like and documentation is valid program encoding decoding TCP headers define accesses and called TCP source port TCP destination port so on the complete parts of this 2077 line of code. The second example, messi a bit of gimmickly what I included to stimulate more your imagination and so just how different and data driven this language can be. What does this have to with Amaka as well? If you frequently using dozen of different language, perhaps even creating your own, you want to be an editor that is easily extensible program. At the core of Amaka is interpreter of Amaka's lips, a full-fledged programming language plus excellent integrated help, code navigation and debugger. Because of the interpreter of embedded in Amaka itself, you can write tools customization, interactivity, or chance to take effort immediately. If you are familiar with the interpreted language, you will already know that love the convince and the red eval print loop. The many kind say, oh, yeah, it can be. 10 that after reading, we have already read one. Yeah, that's what I want to read about. That's what I'm going to cover. Comment section of this what one is finally here. One is fast known tooling it for running, building and testing, debugging JavaScript and TypeScript from the single file of full stack application. Today one is stable and production ready. Initial one is all in one toolkit. We love JavaScript. It's mature, it's move fast. Its developer community is vibrant and passionate. However, since Node.js divided into thousand layers and layers of tooling like accumulated on top of each other like and the system of grow evolve without centralized planning, JavaScript tooling has been become slow and complex. Just one goal is to simple eliminate slowness and complexity without throwing any away everything that great. Your favorite libraries and favorites should still work, and you shouldn't need to unlearn convention you are familiar. You will, however, need to unlearn the many tools that one make unnecessary. One is drop in replacement of Node, just so you don't need Node npx one faster. Node man built-in has machine mode. Dot node proceed with transpiler. Dot.js we can replace. Dot you can keep in type checking. Boundaries es build batch pack package manager npm on testing libraries. Just one is JavaScript runtime, one is a fast JavaScript runtime. Its goal is to make experience building software fast, less functioning, and more fun. Node.js compatibility. One is a drop of the replacement of Node.js, which means existing Node.js application and npm package just work in one. One has a built-in support of Node API like FastPath, Net, Global, and Node.js modular resolution algorithm. One is tested in the site of the most popular Node.js npm server framework like Express application built in just most popular full stack framework like collectivity. These libraries can framework touch each of Node API. This matter speed. Yes, built. Yes, thing. 1 millisecond. Wow, bro. Are you kidding me? Try TypeScript to GS script. Web API hot loading. Hard restart and start processing like node whatever reload your code without terminating the old process. This means the HTTP socket connection do not disconnect and state isn't lost. Plugin. One is designed to be highly customizable. You can define plugin, interact, import, and perform custom loading logic. A plugin can add support to additional file system like a Spite one is a build, which means that most is a build plugin. One API. One ship a highly cost optimized standardized library API for thing you can need to developer. In contrast, Node.js API which exists of backward compatibility. One native API designed to be fast and easy to use. One dot file package.json. Wait. It return a one file which extend the web standard file. The file content can be lazy, loaded in various format. One dot write, one dot serve, one dot SQLite, one dot password. Okay, that much of thing is written in that. One is package manager, one dot install. Remove update package. Wow, one install is ridiculously fast. So fast it worked. It has a start. Install speed. npm. npm rundown. Running script. Shall I test out? One is test. One is bundler. Okay, wow, it is accepting. One one more thing. One provided native built-in macOS and Linux when there is any notable experience. For first time, we are excited to release an experimental native built-in window. macOS and Linux built-in. One is production ready. The build Windows build is highly experimental. This meant only the JavaScript I supported. The package Azure tester builder. Oh, even that thing can we do with this using this? Oh, bro. What the role you are hiring? Careers at one. You are open. Faster. On time. Engineer poster. Okay. The only thing that we use. Installation is same tool and Node.js or different? Cool. Not window. Where is window docker? Install C1. Windows. One provide unlimited experimental native built-in tools. At the moment, only the one runtime is supported. One file. And what's the use case of that? TypeScript JSX. Okay, this would be fun to use it in different cases. Mm-hmm. Bees structural find flowers because of air pollution. Emoji under with how to learn Emacs. Animal filtering language. John McCarthy. Collection of numerical fact of use of program how to build your own living structure. A study of malicious code by pipe ecosystem. China ancient water pipe network show no evidence of centralized authority. China ancient water pipe network show no evidence of centralized authority. GitHub Geyser towards new system war. North Korean campaign targeting security researchers. Security researchers. Reason Apple acquired a classical music label. Okay, computer critical in going on core competence of digital. How query engine work. Specialized acknowledgement outside. This would have been possible without the support of my family. Patient. Special thanks for I also need to introduction. Now let's read over the introduction. Since starting my first job software, I have been fascinated with database and query language. It seems to be almost magical about the computer question get meaningful out of back efficiency. After years of working as a generalized software developer in the user of data technology, I started working. I will start with through deep and distributed data is relevant. I'm very excited on my internet interest query engines eventually led to becoming an Apache Aero project. Implementation donated data fusion memory query into the finally donated Rust distributed. The Aero object are now active committer. Rust implementation. Although Rust is a great choice for highly proficiency query, it is not ideal for teaching concept around the query engine. So recently built a new query engine implemented in Kotlin. So writing book Kotlin is a very concise language for you to read. Okay, the query engine covered the many origin intended update on the book. We are defining topics like type system, data structure, logical plan, data physical plans, query planning, SQL support, testing. Okay. How do you know that you are when your art is good? Nesso Group iPhone FTC. I think 15 minutes has been completed in this video. Yeah, it is. I will stop this video after. So I need to stop this video. Already covered over some basic, so important topics like one. Yeah, like it's really faster to use as compared to Node.js compiler. Dr. Mahal combined with innovation concept of the field perfect break of the hydrogen war. That's for the video. We'll see you next time. That's for the video. We'll see you next time.